AI will destroy humans.
Wait, don't be frightened. The clip you just saw was from a movie called I, Robot, starring Will Smith and directed by Alex Proyas. But the posters you just saw is real, a current hot topic in the science world. And the topic is an AI or artificial intelligence whose name is ChatGPT. Hello guys, I am Dev and you are watching Veda means science. Today I am gonna discuss about everything related to AI and the mystery AI which severed Google and other tech giants. If you have not subscribed yet, do like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. Now let's get started with the question, what is AI? AI or artificial intelligence is a method of making a computer controlled robot or a software think intelligently like the human mind. AI is accomplished by studying the patterns of human brain and by analyzing the cognitive process. The outcome of these studies develops intelligent software and systems. Basically, AI is like an artificial human mind at present times which can do some specific predetermined task skillfully. Human mind is the most complicated natural machine to understand. From medieval time, scientists always tried to understand how human mind works. From 1920s, scientists in modern Western countries like Germany, USA, USSR and Japan were experimenting on human to understand how human mind and body works. After 1940s, scientists were trying to create an artificial human mind. Norbert Wiener's cybernetics described control and stability in electrical networks. At present times, cybernetics is the study of control of any system by using technology. The system can be natural or artificial or both, like autopilot, human brain, or an artificial hybrid techno-human. Mathematician Alan Turing's theory of computation showed that any form of computation could be described digitally. The Imitation Game is a 2014 film starring Benedict Cumberbatch as mathematician Alan Turing proposed for answering, "Can machine think?"
Later.
At least in 1956, John McCarthy and some other senior scientists of IBM invented the field of study AI. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. There are basically three types of AI based on capabilities. Narrow AI. It is a type of AI which is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence. The most common and currently available AI is narrow AI. Examples like Apple Siri or Google Assistant, self-driving cars, or famous chess playing AI like IBM's Deep Blue or Google's AlphaZero. The AI Deep Blue was defeated by world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1996, but later, after some modifications, it defeated Garry in a rematch in 1997. General AI. It is a type of intelligence which could perform any intellectual task with efficiency like human. Currently, there is no such system exist in real life. It only exists in sci-fi movies. Super AI. It is smarter and superior than human. It can show human-like thinking, and emotions, it is still a hypothetical concept. Our main topic, ChatGPT, also comes under narrow AI, but it is an advanced version. The full form of ChatGPT is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. ChatGPT is fine-tuned from a model in GPT 3.5 series of large language models. It answers the questions in full sentences, trying to mimic the rhythm of a conversation. It almost feels like talking to a person. Here are few examples how the conversation with ChatGPT looks like.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
The language model was created by OpenAI, a San Francisco research lab that was founded in 2015 with a combined $1 billion pledge from Chief Executive Sam Altman, Elon Musk, billionaire venture capitalist Peter Thiel, and others. Chatbots in famous websites or apps are very common nowadays. The core function of a chatbot is to mimic a human conversationalist. But ChatGPT is not just a conversationalist. Its versatility and improvisation skills, including its ability to write and debug computer programs. It can write new lyrics and compose a music for your girl.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen.
From doing teleplays, fairy tales, student essays, to answer some test questions, depending on the test, at a level above the average human test taker. From emulating a Linux system to stimulate an entire chat room to play games like rock, paper, scissors. To know ChatGPT's actual superiority, you have to try it. Link in the description below. ChatGPT sometimes writes plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. Like, ChatGPT is sensitive to tweaks to input phrasing or attempting the same prompt multiple times. The model is often excessively verbose and overuses certain phrases. In December 2022, Google internally expressed alarm at the unexpected strength of ChatGPT and the newly discovered potential of large language models to disrupt the search engine business. CEO of Alphabet, Sundar Pichai, upended and reassigned teams within multiple departments to aid in its artificial intelligence products. Hallucinating abilities. You ask it a question and it will give you a very impressive sounding answer that's just dead wrong. But it can make you think it's right. That means it can be a threat to education system. Cybersecurity. Checkpoint Research and others noted that ChatGPT was capable of writing phishing emails and malware, especially when combined with OpenAI codecs. Jailbreaks. Some users managed to jailbreak ChatGPT by using various prompt engineering techniques and tricked ChatGPT into giving instructions for how to create a Molotov cocktail or even a nuclear bomb. No one can deny the fact that artificial intelligence is the future. It is the future to mankind. It is the future to save democracy. It is the future of medical science, security, physics, astronomy, and many more. But we all have tasted the bitterness of excessively and uncontrollably using machines in our daily life. So, we have to be very careful while dealing with artificial intelligence like ChatGPT. Because with great power comes great responsibility.